guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a unboxing haul or whatever. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. Usually I just do like dedicated hauls, or I'll do like a collective haul, like after like I collect a lot of things from different brands, and then I'll like throw it in a haul at the end of the month or whatever. But there was 9 packages I think that came to my apartment today. 8 or 9, you guys will see. 8 or 9 packages that literally came to my apartment all today. So I was like, okay, like this is just too much stuff to wait for a collective haul, because I already have stuff like saved for my next collective haul. And I was just like, you know what, I might as well just do like an unboxing video. I'm still doing the collective haul, but this stuff just won't be in it, if that makes sense. So yeah, I've got stuff from Frankies Bikinis, Adina's Jewels, Amazon, Aritzia, Best Buy. So yeah, if you guys are excited for this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click that bell, and without further ado, let's get started. A few things that I want to mention really quickly. Is there a few things? Oh yeah, so I got really excited, and I didn't know I was filming this video literally until like an hour ago. So when I got home today, I unpackaged a few of these already, but that was because I had to try it on because I was really scared it wasn't gonna fit, but all's well. So all these over here I haven't unboxed yet. These over here I have. But yeah, I'm like a mess. I hadn't had coffee all day, and it was like 5 o'clock, and I was like, I've got to film because I have somewhere to be, but I was like, I have no energy. So I literally ran to Starbucks and got a huge venti like black coffee. And I don't know if it's making me sweaty, but I'm not well and I'm really hyper. Also, literally right before I filmed this video, I made my bed, and right over here there was a dead spider, and it was ginormous, and I'll put a picture of the Snapchat that I'm referring to. Oh my god, you guys, I literally almost died. That's my worst fear, is literally sleeping next to like a spider or a dead spider. That's my worst fear ever. Like, I hate it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so just wanted to tell you that funny little story that happened to me, because that's literally my worst fear. Let's get in to the video. Also, I got a new tattoo, or I got 2 tattoos actually. My first time getting a tattoo, and I decided to get 2. So here's my first one. It looks crooked just because I'm showing it to you guys this way. There you go. It's a little cross. I have a whole vlog going up about it. I got another one too, but I'm not gonna show you guys. You guys are gonna have to wait for that video. I don't know if it's up yet, but stay tuned for that vlog, because I vlog me actually like getting the tattoo or whatnot. I didn't even know I was gonna get 2, honestly, but I love it. Anyways, okay, so I made 3 orders from Frankies Bikinis. I'm going on spring break. I might as well just tell you guys what I'm doing. I'm so excited. Last year for spring break, I went to Colorado with my family and my boyfriend at the time. And this year, I'm going with 7 different girls, or maybe I'm the 7th, I don't know. Me and like 6, 7, 8 other girls, and we got an Airbnb in Daytona, Florida. It's literally right on the beach. I could scream. I'm so excited. Literally with all my best friends, and we're gonna be there for like a week, and it's gonna be a blast. So I needed to get some bikinis. I've been preparing a lot. I've got my tattoos. I've been eating good and working out like a lot. And so I was like, you know what? I need to treat myself. So Frankies Bikinis is like a very like luxurious bathing suit company. They're very expensive, and I've been wanting a bikini from them ever since like last summer, but I just couldn't justify getting it, especially because some of them are just very scandalous, and I'm at the lake a lot with my family. I'm never like on trips when I'm not like with my family. So spring break was the perfect time to get some bathing suits from them. So they were having a sale. They still might be having a sale on like select styles and sizes and colors. So I was able to find a few that I really wanted, like had been wanting, that were on sale. So that was great. Usually they're like $70 to $100 for a top, and $70 to $100 for like a bottom, or yeah, but they were all on sale, the ones that I got anyways. So I was able to finesse 2 bikinis, so 2 tops, 2 bottoms, so 4 pieces altogether for like under $200, which is really good, because normally this would have cost me like over $300. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I already unboxed them and tried them on. So this first one, the packaging's so cute, like oh my god. This first one, I have this bottom, and I'll show you guys the matching top in a second, but I got this in a medium, and this is, I don't know what style this is. I'll try and link it down below. but I actually ordered one that was like a little bit more scandalous and more stringy on the sides, but then they sold out of it, so I had to go on their website and find another one that I liked. This one was a little bit cheaper. I think this was like $48 on sale, so I didn't care as long as it just matched the top. But this is really cute, and it's a little bit more coverage, so I can wear this in the summer, so I like that. But it's in this cobalt blue color, and it's so pretty. And guys, the quality of these bathing suits is unreal. You guys know I mainly wear like Zaful bikinis, but it's just nice to like have a good like luxury bikini that you like feel good in and treat yourself, you know? This next one, like I said, I already tried this on because I wanted to see if it fit. I had to get in a small, okay? I've got a D cup, bra size, and smalls don't really work, but for some reason this fit me. It's, you know, I probably could have fit in a medium a little bit better maybe, but I saw the model and like compared her chest size with mine because I had her measurements or whatnot. She was wearing a small, so I was like, I think I can finesse it, and it does fit very well. So I'm really happy. This is in the coal style, I think. Yeah, coal top, cobalt, small. So this isn't the coal bottom, but it's the same color, so it literally matches perfectly. But this top is so cute, you guys. It's got like this cutout, so it like shows a little bit of cleavage. It's so adorable. I'm so obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, the quality of these bikinis is unreal. Like, I can't get over it. I got one more package from them, and I got this lime green set, or like, not a set, you have to buy them separately, but a set, I guess. This is the tabby top and bottom in the acid green, I think. I'm pretty sure it's the acid green, but here's the bottom. It kind of like came undone, but you guys can see it's just like, it's like really stringy, really scandalous. As my mom would say, minimalist. I was literally getting a tattoo the other day, and I got it somewhere like where you can only see when I'm in a bikini, and my mom was still in the tattoo artist. She was like, she's very scandalous and very minimalist with her bathing suit, so I think that'll work. And I was like, Mom. But yeah, it's very minimalist, very scandalous, but you just tie it on the sides. The camera isn't even picking it up. It's so bright. Oh my gosh. But I got this in a medium, and then all these were final sale, so I'm glad they fit because they were on sale and you can't like return them. So I took a shot in the dark, and I was very happy. And then this is the tabby top in a medium, and I'm really glad I got this in a medium because hello, this is really tiny. Guys, the camera's not even picking it up. It just looks like this. This like kind of top is very, very flattering on me, and I'm so obsessed with my new bikinis. Like, these are two of my favorite colors right now, like this cobalt blue and this lime green. I'm obsessed. Can't wait for spring break. Let me know if I should vlog the trip. I'm pretty sure I'm going to, because one of my friends has a GoPro. I have a GoPro, but she has like the newer one, and she's like, Tori, like, you need a vlog, and I'll do my GoPro and it'll be like epic. So let me know if you guys want to see a spring break vlog, or like a montage of like footage from the week. I don't know, I'm really excited. So I'll probably end up ordering more by the time spring break comes around. My spring break's the end of February, so got a little time. Next up, the other thing that I opened was from Adina's Jewels. I ordered, all this stuff came really fast. I ordered this Monday night, and it's now Friday. It's not too fast, but Monday night to Friday, like, it's pretty good. But I just got two bracelets, and they were both $68. So I'm gonna tell you guys what they are, and then I'll show you. So I got the Pave Link toggle bracelet in gold, and then the Pave Link bracelet. So they sound very similar, but they're actually very different. So Adina's, I've gotten so many people onto Adina's, like literally I found them, I think I had heard like a YouTuber talk about them, but I've gotten so many, I've been ordering from them for over a year now, and like I've gotten so many people onto them, or onto her, and I literally am not gonna be able to open this because I tied it really tight, but I'm about to just screw it. Okay, had to do that, it's fine. So like I said, I got two bracelets. Is this the one? Okay, so shout out to my friend Bree. I talk about her all the time because I copy her all the time, or we copy each other, so it's mutual, it's fine. But she was wearing this. We were working out at Orange Theory the other night, and I was like, oh my God, where's that from? And she was like, Adina's, and I was like, I love Adina's. All my jewelry is from her. So I had to get it, but it's this beautiful bracelet. I don't even know what it is. I think she was wearing this. Maybe it was similar. I don't even know if this is the one she has, honestly. I think she was wearing one that was like a paper clip. That's what it was. But it inspired me to go on the website and look and buy more jewelry. So this is so, so pretty. So I got this, and then I also got another link bracelet. I'm obsessed with the links. I have a link bracelet from her already, that I've gotten a lot of people on, and I have the matching ring, and now I have 2 more bracelets. So this is the other bracelet. Super pretty. It's just gold and silver and chainy, and I love it. I love Adina's so much. Definitely more on the pricey side, but totally worth it. So now onto the stuff that I haven't opened. We'll start with this. I think this is a book for school, if I'm being honest with you. So it's not even gonna be interesting. Yeah, I'm actually really happy that this came because it was on back order and I wasn't sure it was gonna be here in time. So, organizational behavior. I don't even know what class this is for, but I just know I needed it. I've got all my books now, so that's good. Okay, moving on to this one. I think this is Best Buy. Okay. So excited, you guys. So I got the AirPod Pros. I've actually already had them before. I got them on Black Friday. Not like because they were on sale, because they weren't. I was in Charlotte and Charlotte had them, but like in Greensboro, like they were sold out for a while. So Charlotte had them. So I finally got them on Black Friday. And then I got home the next day to find out that one was defective. Like the left ear wasn't registering that it was in my ear. Like the left AirPod wasn't registering that it was in my ear. So like I could turn off automatic ear dictation or detection, whatever it is, where like it automatically plays music. It starts your music once you put it in your ear. I could turn that off and it would work fine, but I was like, I'm not paying $260 for something that isn't working properly. So I went ahead to Best Buy and returned them literally like 3 or 4 days after Black Friday. And they were like, oh, like we're gonna have to refund you. We can't even order them for you because they're like sold out and we don't know when we're getting them back in stock. So I was like, okay, whatever. She was like, just keep checking back. I kept checking Apple's website and it was saying like beginning of February. So I was like, that's ridiculous. So I didn't think Best Buy would have them. And then one day I was like, let me just check Best Buy. And I ordered them because it said that it would ship to me by January 17th. And it was like January like 7th. And so I ordered them and then they shipped the next day, even though they were out of stock. I was so confused. So if you are looking for AirPod Pros and you can't get your hands on them, check Best Buy and just order them. It'll probably ship next day because mine did. So it literally shipped the next day and then came a day after that. Like it was insanely fast shipping. So I'm so excited to have my hands on these. I like them a lot better than the regular AirPods just because they're more comfortable and they're noise canceling. So I love, love, love these. That was a long tangent, but yeah. Next up, Aritzia. I've ordered a few things from Aritzia before. They're kind of expensive. I saw, I think it was Maddie Sidlick, her video, and she was wearing an Aritzia sweatshirt in that cobalt blue color that I just showed you. And I was like, I need that. And she linked it, so I like ordered it through her link. They like package their stuff so nicely. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, so I just got the TNA like oversized crew neck sweatshirt. Oh my god. It's perfect. Okay, so I got this in a size 1. I was gonna get the size 2 because I wanted it to be like a little bit oversized, but I knew it was already oversized. So I was like, I think a 1 will be fine. And they're sold out of 2 and 3 anyways. So it looks like it'll fit perfect, like perfectly oversized. I'm gonna wear this tonight, I think. I have to be somewhere. And I actually should have been there an hour ago, but it's fine. But this was originally $80 and I got it for $64. But it's literally so soft and so cute. And I'm so excited to wear this tonight. But it's literally that cobalt blue that I was telling you guys about earlier. Last but not least, we got Amazon Prime. This is just boring food stuff, if I'm being honest with you. So if you're not interested, just skip to the end of this video. So I got organic cacao nibs because I used to put these in like my protein shakes. But they were out of date, so ordered some more. And then I got, by the same brand, organic chia seeds because I used to put these in my protein shakes as well. And also I want to put them in my oatmeal, which is the next thing that I got. Whole grain foods for every meal, my red meal, oatmeal. Because I'm going to start making overnight oats because I'm on that health grind. Like this whole week I've been on it. I've been eating good. I've been working out every other day, or like 4 times a week, which is a big improvement from what I used to do. So really, really happy about that. But yeah. All right guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to like bring this back like I don't know. The reason why I never do these is because all my packages usually come on different days. But for some reason, all of them came today. Literally, I don't even know how many that was. Somebody count and let me know down below. But it was a lot of freaking packages. So it inspired me. But yeah, I love you guys so much. And I hope you guys did enjoy this haul. I'll try and link as much as I can down below. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And subscribe if you guys are new here. Click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen right here. And yeah, I love you guys. And I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.